Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where fashion is fun, and this is your friend Shruti. Hope you all are doing good and enjoyed my previous video. So for today's video, I decided to do something different and wanted to do a haul kind of a thing because I ordered certain items from Shein and wanted to show it to you guys. And I've also shared the tips and tricks to shop on the app, but you have to hang till the end to watch that. And also the video is pretty long, so bear with me. And yeah, let's get started. So most of the items in this order consist of jewelry, and there are very less clothing items here. So yeah, let me just show you what I have bought. So the first thing which I wanted to show it to you guys is this necklace which I ordered. It's a very beautiful blue colored, sky blue colored necklace, and I just fell in love with it when I saw it for the first time. Like, I really loved it. Let me show it to you guys how it looks by wearing it. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and I really loved it. It's really pretty. It's for less than 150 bucks. I don't really remember the exact price, but yeah, it's really good and the quality is also great. So another thing which I bought is this heart-shaped earrings. It's so long and it's very colorful and it's really pretty, you know. I just completely loved it. And this is also for less than 150 bucks, and it has like almost all the colors, and I really loved it when I saw it. Okay, just now let me try it for you guys. You know, I was never an earring person. Like, I had just almost 2 or 3 earrings which I only used to wear with my Indian clothes. But then I started like making videos, and I realized that the outfit looks really incomplete without jewelry and earrings and all. So yeah, I started ordering, and I'm really glad I did. So this is how it looks. It's really pretty. It can go on both of your outfits. Like, you can even wear this on a western outfits, and it will be very much suitable for Indian outfits as well. And I think you should definitely go for it. Another piece of jewelry is this earring. So I'm kind of not very much impressed with it because when I first saw it on the app, it was kind of looking big in size, but when it came, they are like really small. But still, like, it's not that bad. It's good, but kind of very small. But they look good. Kind of misplaced the one piece, so I'm just showing you with the one piece. So see, it looks good, like the design is really good, but yeah, पहन के तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. I kind of like it. So another thing which I want to show it to you guys are like these earrings. I hate it. Like, I just don't like it at all. Because again, the same thing, they appeared to be really big in size when I saw it on the app, and they kind of like, they're like really small. Like, I don't like such small earrings. And also the design here, you see, it's a little faded. I don't know whether you're able to see it or not, but I don't like it, and I wish I could have returned it, but it's kind of really cheap, and the returning charges will cost me as much as the cost of the earring, so just chuck it. See, I'm not even going to try it. I don't like it. So another jewelry is these earrings. I really loved them. Like, I really wanted to order something golden, and I just saw this on the app and just wanted it right there and then. Like, I really love them. The design is so good, and they are just perfect. They are also for around less than 150 rupees. So yeah, let's just try it now. see, it's really pretty, you know. These are my favorites from the lot and my mom's favorite as well. It's awesome, like I really love them. So we are almost done with earrings now and only the last piece is left. And these are just beautiful hoops with butterflies in between. I'm in complete awe of these earrings. Like I really loved them because of the color and the butterflies, and yeah, I just love it. And this is also for less than 120 bucks or something. Let's try it now. And they look amazing. I really love it, and I think you should definitely go for it. So we are done with earrings now, and I'm left with one more neck piece to show it to you guys, and then we will be done with jewelry as well. So this is this neck piece, and this is very beautiful, and it's kind of really different, you know. I have not seen something like this before, so I just grabbed it. I really wanted to buy something different, and yeah, you might not like it if you don't want to be a little experimentative, but if you want to go all out, then you definitely could try this. It has this zipper kind of a thing here. Yeah, it's really pretty. It looks something like this, you know. So I guess we are done with jewelry now, and moving on, I'm going to show you two bags which I ordered. So one is this Little Beauty. So I bought this for just like 200 bucks, and this is really spacious. It has a lot of space in there, and I really wanted to buy a white bag, and it has this adjustable strap as well. And you can also remove it and add any strap of your liking, and this is really good, and it's really cheap, and the quality is kind of good, and yeah, I love it. I think you should go for it. So this is this bag, and I really love it. It's very beautiful. I really wanted something like this, and it also has a big strap as well, but I really want to use it like this only. But yeah, the problem I have here is with the size, because it's kind of really small. You can only keep your phone in here and just some makeup, but it just costed me around 586 rupees. So I guess it's kind of cheap, and the quality is kind of really good. So you can go for it. So let's move into some clothing items now, and let me start. Okay, wait. I've also bought these really cute hair ties. Like I was looking for something like this for a really long time now, and I found this on Shein, and I really liked it, and I have bought 3 pieces. Yeah, I got these 3 pieces for like 120 bucks, and they are really cute. So let's move on to some clothing items now, and let me start by showing you the scarves I have bought. So you can see I bought this beautiful scarf from Shein. It is around for 300 bucks, I guess, and I really loved it, as the color appeared to be really summery. The color is really summery, and it's just perfect. And I thought that, you know, I can also make a video on how can you style this in 5 ways. So I just ordered it, and it's really pretty. I just completely love it. So there is this another scarf. Actually, it's not a scarf, it's a cover up kind of a thing. It's a beach cover up. So it is this leopard print beach cover up, and I have already made a video on this on my Instagram on how can you style this in like 5 ways. You can check it out there, and you can see here a picture of me wearing this, and it's kind of really cool and nice. I have bought it for around 400 bucks, and it can be styled in like so many ways, so it is worth the money, and it's really pretty. So another other item which I bought is this white satin pant. This is really pretty. I know it's very crumpled right now, but it's kind of really pretty and beautiful in person. So I am a size 28 and I bought a XS small because Shein pants are really long. So you can always go for a smaller size. And yeah, this is really pretty and the quality is also kind of good. But yeah, you can never tell about Shein's pants quality, you know, because a while back I ordered a black pant and the quality also kind of appeared to be good, but I don't know what happened after just wearing it for like 2 to 3 times. कुछ white ऐसा निकल आया था उसका. I don't know कि क्या बोलते हैं उसको, but then bought it again and then I ordered again. But I swear if something happens to this, I'm not going to order from Shein ever again, like the pants. Other thing I have is this cute white crop top. It's for around like 300 bucks or something. I don't really remember the exact price, but I'm going to link everything in the description box so that you can buy it if you want to or if you like it. So this is really good and the quality is also kind of good in comparison to the price, but it's a little tight on me. Like I'm an XS small and I always wear XS small only, but this is a little tight, so you can go for a bigger size. So I'm going to try every clothing item after I'm done showing it to you guys. Other thing which I have is this transparent top. Like when I saw it on the app, I really liked it, but when I saw it in person, I did not like it. Like ये क्या पूछ दिया? And my mom was like ये मच्छरदानी कहाँ से आ गए? You guys pay for even this as well. But then eventually I started liking it, you know, when I tried it, and then I really liked it. I bought it for around less than 400 rupees and it has these bell sleeves and it's kind of good only. I'll show it to you guys and then you can decide, you know, that if you want to buy it or not. So I guess we are almost done with everything. Yes, this is this last thing left and this is this huge belt I bought. I was really looking for something like this and I just saw it on the app and I ordered it. It is kind of really good and the quality is also very good. I bought it for around 300 rupees and yeah, it's kind of really nice. Like if you're looking for a white belt, so you should definitely go for this. So I guess we are done with everything now and let's just try everything now. कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं ट्राई करने को, एक वाइट पैंट और एक वो ही है, तो लेट्स ट्राई. So that is it guys. I have shown you all the items which I have ordered and now it's time for some tips and tricks to shop on the app. So if you don't know, there is a daily check-in going on the Shein app. Like, and you can go there and you just check in and you get some points every day and you can just collect those points for a long time, and then if you shop something and you apply those points, you get a really huge amount of discount. Like when I ordered these, I had around 784 points and I got a discount of 584 rupees. And also you can always give the reviews of the items you have bought and you always get 30 points for each of your review, and that is also kind of great. You can also go on the app and check the coupons, because sometimes they give us the coupons but we don't check it and it just gets expired. Like they have lots of coupon in there and you can also get a free delivery even if your order is not above rupees 1800 by using coupons. But yeah, it should be a minimum of 720 rupees. And they also have this flash sale going on every day where you get the items at such discounted price that you just can't believe it. So also do check out that also. And what else? Yeah, like sometimes I like a product but maybe it's way too expensive for me to buy. So what I do is I just wait for the sale. But what happens is when the sale actually comes, you don't find your size. Like, it's a big problem for me that I don't find my size. But suppose if you don't find your size but a bigger size is available, like suppose if I'm a XS small and my size is not available but a medium or a large is available, so what I basically do is that I buy the product because the price is so much less than the actual price, and I just go to my trusted tailor and just get it altered. Like, it just cost around 20 to 30 rupees, but my outfit is ready at such a discounted price. But you do need a trusted tailor for this, because your outfit might get ruined if the tailor does a really bad job, so be careful about that. It, guys, it was altogether a new experience for me. I have never spoken this much in a video before, and I completely loved it because it kind of felt like an interacting session with you guys. So if you want me to do such videos more, then you can tell me in the comment section. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can never miss an update from me. And also follow me on Instagram because I make videos there as well. The link to my Instagram is also given in the description box below, so do check my Instagram out. And that is it. So bye bye guys, take care, lots of love.